Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We put the s goal here. Next, e to the power of s multiplied by this one, and this one. So this one with this one and number 6. Next, I will put b equals to this one and q equals to this one. So we have the s. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So we have first the derivative of y to the power of 3, similar for this one in here. So we have 3y squared e to the power of s, 3y squared se to the power of s. Next, we have dy. That means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to s. So that's about this one. So first the derivative of s, we have number 1. First the derivative of e to the power of s, we keep the same. This one we don't have s, so you got about 0. And we can see that this one is similar with this one, so that is about exact. Now we need to set up about the function fxy. So fxy equals to the integration. So I will choose about this one plus 3xy. So the integration of e to the power of s, we keep the same. So the integration of this one in here, we have se to the power of s minus e to the power of s y to the power of 3. The next one, that's about e to the power of s. Next, we need to do first the derivative with f with respect to y. So we have d over dy, f d over dy f sy equals to, we do first the derivative of this one and this one. This one we don't have y, so you got 0. And we have d over dy 3xy. And we know that this one is similar with this one in here. So this one we have 3y squared se to the power of s minus 3y squared e to the power of s. Now this one minus this one and this one simplified by this one. So in this situation, we just have only negative 18y squared. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one we have y to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. This one, we have negative number 6 y to the power of 3. Now, we go back in here. So the integration of this one, we have 3xy, and 3xy equals to this one. And we know that this one equals to fxy. fxy equals to c. And now we have the final answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.